Hello, on this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Avast. First thing you do is go to your Internet Explorer or other browser. Type in avast.com. Usually on the web page they have a list of all different kinds of antivirus. The one that we're going to download is the free antivirus. Be very careful with what they ask. They do ask for questions if you want to have the 1-year pro or not. I'm going to choose not to. No thank you. Now it has transferred to CNET. Go ahead and select download now. You have the option to run or save the file. I'm just going to run it. You can select view download. This will pop up and you can now exit the Internet Explorer. This one might take a few moments for this to download. Now, Avast free antivirus has popped up. You have the option if you want to have the Google toolbar along with Avast. I'm going to choose not to. Select Express Install. You should read the user license agreement. After that, select Next. Now Avast is installing. It might take a few minutes for this to work. Once Avast is installed, it will give you a 30-day protection until you register it. Right now, Avast Antivirus Free has been installed. Go ahead and press Finish.
Welcome to Avast.
You can see that it's doing a scan right now. It has also popped up on the web page about Avast. I'm going to go ahead and cancel the scan right now. Now I'm going to go ahead and open Avast. How to register? You would have to open it and select Register. You have to be connected for this to work.
Avast virus database has been updated.
I'm going to go ahead and select Register. You have the option.
Scan has been completed.
You have the option to just register with your Facebook account, or you could also just register with an email address. I'm going ahead and register. And there you go. It gives you the option if you want to try a 20-day trial of the internet security for free. I'm going to choose not to. Something that comes in place of having Avast that usually would bother you later on in time is the pop-up of the voice. So go to Settings and select Sounds. And you can uncheck the Avast sounds and you will not get that message. Also, in the settings, you can enable updates to always update whenever it's time. And another thing, if you're a gamer and you don't want to have that pop-up coming up, you can select the silent gaming mode, so you will never get a pop-up on Avast. There are lots of more features on Avast, but on this tutorial I'm not going to show you that much more. But that's how you download and install Avast.